We're out here in the taste of Nigerian cuisine. Woo. Let's see how it goes. Ooh,
Oh my god, bro, this thing smacks. This is smacking, you know? So I ordered the spicy rice. Got some chicken on it. Bro, I recommend this for every day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Take a look at it. Ooh, take a look. Ooh, that's beautiful, right? I just want to make babies to it and make more chickens. Shout out to my boy Toby for recommending this spot. My man, you don't fail to impress me with stuff in life. This is good sheesh. Good sheesh. Another one. Another one. Can't forget plantains. Can't forget them. It's a sweet kick that everything else needs. If you're salty in life and you're like sad and depressed, eat some plantains. Might spice your life up. No, plantains and bananas are not the same thing. For all you haters out there, get educated on food, because this is where it's at. So this place is called Taste of Nigeria. Tonak. It's on Fairview Avenue. Oh my god, I don't know how they make their food, and I'm not courageous enough to ask them if I can go in there and film them, but just the food of it, look at it. Oh my god. Nigerian food in Boise, Idaho. Yep, you'd be surprised.